Hello students, this is Sudhir Kumar Jha and welcome to the channel Concept Mathematics. So in this video we shall learn about trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. So what is complementary angle? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So for understanding the concept we have to draw a triangle shown here. So this is right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, and angle A equals to theta and angle C equals to alpha. So from this triangle we can write theta plus alpha equals to 90 degree. So theta and alpha are complementary to each other. Now we will see some formula of complementary angles, that is sine 90 minus theta. Now sine 90 minus theta, from here we can write alpha equals to 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta equals to alpha. So it is equal to sine alpha. Now sine alpha, for angle alpha, AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So sine alpha equals to AB divided by AC. So it is equals to AB divided by AC. Now if we see for the angle theta, then AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. So AB, base divided by hypotenuse, is equals to cos theta. So it is equals to cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Similarly we can find cos 90 minus theta. Now we know that 90 minus theta equals to alpha. So we can write cos alpha, which is equals to, for angle alpha, BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. So we will write BC divided by AC. Now for angle theta, BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is equals to sine theta. So it will be sine theta. So cos 90 degree minus theta equals to sine theta. Similarly we can find the rest trigonometrical ratios. That is, if you want to find tan 90 minus theta, then it is equals to tan alpha. Now for alpha, this is perpendicular, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. So tan alpha equals to perpendicular divided by base. So it is equals to AB divided by BC. Now for the angle theta, AB is base and BC is equals to perpendicular. So it is base divided by perpendicular. Now we know that base divided by perpendicular is equals to cot theta. So it is equals to cot theta. Now we have tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Similarly we can see cot 90 minus theta equals to cot alpha. For angle alpha, this is base and this is perpendicular. So cot theta cot alpha equals to base divided by perpendicular. So it will be equal to BC divided by AB. Now for the angle theta, BC is perpendicular and AB is base. So it is perpendicular divided by base. So it is equal to tan theta. So cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Similarly we can find for cosec 90 minus theta, which is equals to cosec alpha. Now for the angle alpha, AC is hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular. and cos alpha equals to hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So it is equal to AC divided by AB. Now for the angle theta, AC is hypotenuse and AB is base. So it is hypotenuse divided by base. Now we know that hypotenuse divided by base is sec theta. So it will be equal to sec theta. Similarly, we can see for sec 90 minus theta, it will be sec alpha, and for alpha BC is base and AC is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse. So, and we know that sec alpha equals to hypotenuse divided by base. So it will be AC divided by BC. Now for the angle theta, AC is hypotenuse and BC is perpendicular. So it is hypotenuse divided by perpendicular, and we know that hypotenuse divided by perpendicular is cosec theta. So it is equal to cosec theta. Hence we have these 6 trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle, and we can write hence sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, it is here. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta, sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. And these are very useful ratios, that is, these are very useful formulas. For example, we have to find the value of tan 65 degree divided by cot 25 degree. So we know that cot 90 degree minus theta equals to tan theta, or tan 90 degree minus theta equals to cot theta. So we can write tan 90 degree minus 25 degree divided by cot 25 degree, since 90 degree minus 25 degree equals to 65 degree. So now we know that tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. So it will be cot 25 degree divided by cot 25 degree, which is equals to 1. It is the answer. Thank you so much.